Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Access hands-on training course with exercises. In this course, you will learn Microsoft Access relational database to help you store data that can be easily accessed, managed, modified, updated, controlled, and analyzed. Access can also overcome the limitations found in Excel or other spreadsheet applications. This course is specifically designed for beginners with hands-on training, real-world applications, exercises, and final project. At the end of this course, you will be able to create real-world database applications in MS Access from scratch. You will be able to create tables, you can define table fields and their data types. You will learn how to create field properties like lookup wizard, validation rule, and input mask. You will be able to establish relationships among multiple tables using the concept of the primary and foreign keys. You will be able to create customized forms for data entry into your database tables. You will be able to generate reports to view, format, and summarize the information in an attractive and presentable way. You will be able to design and write SQL queries to retrieve the data from the tables as you want. You will learn how to import data from Excel to Access. You can also export data from Access to Excel, Word, and PDF. Thank you for your interest in this course. Let's enroll it now.